Hello guys, it's me again, JR, and I'm currently feeding my gar. I'm also a fish keeper. As you can see, I have a prawn shark right there and a baby spotted gar as well. I like predator fish. Yep. This gar is actually a little bit famous for eating goldfish. I haven't fed them for a while, so there. Stocking its prey. Yes. In the wild, puso. Look, got him. Got him. Got him, baby. Hey, look at your. I want to look at your fangs right now. Show me your fangs. Show me your fangs. I might sound crazy. Where's the fish? Oh, it's in his mouth. Look. It's already in his mouth. And this guy dislikes the lights. Okay, be right back. And look, my baby gar is already eating as well. Look, he's having a hard time swallowing the fish. Actually, some other people might not like this feeding. Oh, whoa, it got out. The fish got out, look. And he's trying to swallow the fish. I'm not gonna show it to you guys because some people might say, oh no, look at that poor fish. And yep, it's kind of full right now.